How to deactivate Instagram account without waiting for a week. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram account and if you don't want to wait for a week, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. And then after opening, now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And then you can go to the upper right corner, which has the 3-bar icon. And then tap on settings and privacy. And here you have to go to account center, which is on the first option. And after opening your account center, now you can go to the second option, which is personal details. And then here on the last option, you will have account ownership and control. Go to that. And then here, if you go to deactivation or deletion, here it will ask you for your Facebook or Instagram. Simply tap on Instagram. And then if you have already deactivated your account, then you can't deactivate it within a week. So what you have to do is simply tap on delete account and then tap on continue. And after that, you have to choose a reason. And after choosing, you can simply tap on continue. And here you have to re-enter your password to delete your account. So let me tell you one thing, that your account won't be deleted for at least a month. And if you logged into your account within 1 month, then your account will be reactivated. So if you don't log into your account within 1 month, then your account will be permanently deleted. So if you want to deactivate your account for a week or for 10 days, then you can simply use this method. You can go and delete your account, and after that you can log into your account. So that's it. This was the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.